Hawak niya yung mga...
Okay, hello? Hi!
Hello!
Okay, anong grade po? 4. Countdown. Sabayan niyo ako. 3. Alright, so nag-enjoy ba lahat? Okay, who wants to have more? Alright, so put on your hands. And reminder, walang sasandal sa dough. For those students na nasa harapan ko, move pa kayo rito. Okay, grade 5. Grade 5, ano, reminder walang sasandal sa dough. Okay?
Nagkaka-enjoy!
Alright, now let's proceed with our next video. Let's talk about the wonders of our